guys? This is my bike. This is my 2011 Stolen Casino. This is my bike. Here we go. Starting from the front. Got my red Primo All tires. Yes. And we got the stock blue rims on both ends of the bike. Yes. Then we got the red dice valve caps. Yes. Then we got a regular stock hub. Then we got my blue Mate Stolen Tornado forks. Alright. And then we go on to the front. We got my Stolen mid bars with a 7.7 rise. And then got my red Stolen money grips. I like them because they really got good grip. They got my little Stolen nylon bar ends, black. And then my stem, we got a regular convict stem stock with the Stolen headset, black. Then we got a regular Stolen frame with I got my Stolen Thermalite, my Stolen Thermalite PC pedals, red. Then we got my Stolen mid cranks. And then got my Stolen ring. And we got my Stolen ring sprocket with a 25 tooth in the front and then a 9 in the back. 9 in the back. And then regular hub in the back. Alright. So that is my bike. And then we go move on to Don's now.
What up, YouTube people? This is my 2011 Verde Prism. Yeah, I got some nice parts on it, right? Alright, let's start at the front. I got some orange Odyssey and Ross tires. They're pretty cool. And I like them because they go cool with the rim. You know, yellow, like greenish, neon. Pretty cool. I got some orange Albi stickers in the front. On my forks. Verde forks. Chrome crown valve caps in the front and back. Yeah. I got Stolen cell bars, green. Yeah. 8.1 rise. And for my stem, I got an orange Shadow Conspiracy. Pretty nice. It looks pretty cool. Don't you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Orange Stolen money grips, same as Quint. Yeah. Same as Quint.
Ooh.
Orange. Oh yeah, ODI. Bar ends. Green. Orange Thermalite pedals, nice and grippy, but a little dirty. Stolen Thermalite green seat. Pivotal, like the hole, you could tell. Finger it. I got a Kink Static green sprocket. Looks pretty cool, you know. I recommend it. An orange normal chain. Yeah, you know, it's pretty normal in orange. Dance Comp sticker on my frame.
Is that about it, Don?
That is just about it. Wait. I got a little thicker tire in the bag just for safety reasons. Yeah. Now, let me show you a J-hop.
You can demonstrate a J-hop. I like that. I really like that.
Here's a fakie.
Here's a fakie from Don. There goes Don with the fakie.
Yep. Quinn, want to show him some stuff?
I guess I could show him little stuff. Alright, start off easy with the J-hop.
J-hop. A little nose dive.
Little nose dive. Come on.
Ooh, getting some height.
Then we'll try the fakie.
Fakie?
Fakie.
What about a stoppy fakie? Ooh.
I never can land those, but yeah, you know. You know, a little stop fake.
Hey, Quentin, your dad.
A little stoppy fake.
Stoppy fakey.
So,
Anything else?
I think that's about it. Peace out, people.
See you guys.